They say that cockroaches and Keith Richard and trolls are very hard to get rid of. In Faroe Island we have old traditions of trolls, and there's stories that say that trolls can only be out in the night. If they come out in the daytime, they turn into rocks. So some of the rocks, they look like trolls. It's a funny way to lighten up your imagination, yeah. And it makes life more fun. Some places just have a fairy tale feeling, and it makes your imagination run. I like to go alone on the mountains where it's peace and quiet, that my mind can go traveling. So, here we are. Just behind the mountainside, and then you're also all alone here in the wilderness. I'm really fascinated with the cracks, how the stones, they crack sometimes, and sometimes there's like a puzzle. You can see almost like a puzzle. Yeah, you don't notice it if you just see a stone from far away, but if you look closer, like for example this one, there's lots of patterns and colors, and I just think it's beautiful. Yeah. We have some green moss here, and the stone is reddish as well. I heard that if the stones are red, you find gold in them. But I don't think it's true. Now, if you just take a piece of this rock anywhere, you would have a really nice picture on the wall. Like you could just take it out here, or you could take it out here, with this nice pattern in here. This is really nice, just this small here. Well, off we go. I was a quiet boy in school. I couldn't figure out how to read. I think they must have thought I was a little bit stupid or something, but when I was 35 or something, I found out that I was, I don't know the English word, but we call it word blind in Faroese. Ordablind. The letters are jumping back and forward, so so that's the reason why I couldn't read. So I think slowly they just ignored me a little bit. So I was just able to sit there and draw and minding my own business. I remember one of the teachers said to my mother that he just needs to be an artist because he can't figure out how to read. The books were full of paintings, and one of the guys who was in my class, he must have taken them on paper because he took a photo and sent me just the other day. So this is the picture. I don't know if you can see it. The paper is packed with small details. This must be the teacher, this one here. These days, people are so busy earning money and doing what they think is the way of life. We're never satisfied. We always want more and more and more. And even if it's not good for us, even if we can't have it any better than you have it right now, you still want more. But sometimes you're better off with having less. It's not so important to have a brand new car. It makes you happy the second you buy it, and then you don't notice it anymore. There's people who have won millions in the lottery, and they say that after a year you're the same person as you were before. You're just as miserable as you were before, or you're just as happy as you were before. Happiness is something you have to find deep inside yourself. Yeah, you can try to search and find it, but you have to find it inside yourself. That's it. One of my favorite things to do is just to live in the moment. And there's only a few times that I do that, and that's when I draw, because I forget everything around me. And the same happens with music. You're almost lost in space. You don't think about anything around you except what's right now. Time stands still because you're not worried about anything. You're not thinking about problems. You don't think about the future or the past. You just live in the moment. I can't say that everyone should do what I'm doing. But because everyone else is doing their business, I can do what I do. So yeah, it's difficult to say that one thing is right and another thing is wrong. If I had gone to a school where the teacher had more time for me, maybe I wouldn't be drawing today. So I'm happy that I am word blind. And this is how life made me.
To all of you who have contributed, for those of you who've shared our films, for those of you who have written our comments, this journey is just beginning. And we've put a Patreon link below our films, so if you would like to continue to support us, we'd love for you to donate below. Thanks so much.